The worst run in Premier League history for Liverpool since Indian independence, or maybe 6 years after that, 1953. Lost 9 out of 12 fixtures. The form is appalling. The manager needs to be blamed for it. The structure is not intact. The defensive, the midline, the front line, there is a lot of unwarranted distance between them. The counter press is missing. It was I'm just appalled at one thing. If in the first half our players are turning up in phases, because the first half was sort of lackluster when we started off. If you notice the way we progress in a build up, we were really sloppy too. The opposition was PSV, not PSG. If it were PSG, they would have hurt us more. We don't realize that. What happened in the second half is a testament to the fact that we lack intensity, we lack the physicality. Look at the profiles like McAllister, Kirkes get skimmed past like anything. And like Carragher mentioned, when you have that opportunity to look up to your leaders, you try to get that direction, that vision from them. But unfortunately, players like Van Dijk, Alisson, who's injured all the time now, Salah, these are the three pivotal entities in our squad that have seen glory under Jurgen Klopp and even under Arne Slot. But unfortunately, they've aged a bit too much. They've lost that intensity, that focus, that consistency, basically superpowers which you would need from these leaders. And unfortunately, no one saw this coming, but I've been echoing this message since the last season. We need more players. We need a chunk of players. I don't care how expensive or how cheap they are. They just need to have a good work ethic. You got to get your basics right. Yeah, and the manager definitely needs to take accountability. This is the worst form that I've seen, at least in my lifetime. And imagine it's been 73 years since Liverpool went through something of this sort.